Hello everyone! I'm going to show you an incredible transformation, taking something as common as a ball bearing and turning it into a powerful, high-performance TV antenna. Next, I have a standard coaxial cable. I need to prepare this cable properly to ensure maximum signal transfer. I'm going to carefully strip the outer jacket of the coaxial cable. This first cut needs to be precise to avoid damaging the braided shield underneath. Now, I'm unraveling the braided shield. This silver mesh is crucial for protecting the signal from interference, but for our antenna, I need to separate it to create the conductive elements. Next, I'm stripping back the inner dielectric insulation, exposing the copper center conductor. This is the main signal carrier, so it needs to be perfectly clean. I'm now attaching a BNC connector. The center conductor slides into the pin, and the connector is secured over the exposed braided shield. I'll trim any excess copper wire from the pin to ensure a flush and secure connection. This forms our first antenna element. I'll repeat the entire process on the other end of the cable. Just like before, I strip the outer jacket, unravel and trim the braided shield, expose the center conductor. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Similarly, I repeated this process with another coaxial cable. After preparing both connectors, I'm now securely fastening the first wire around the bearing. I'm now going to bend the exposed center conductor wires. I'll gently shape them so they can be wrapped around the outer ring of the ball bearing. The bearing itself will act as a core, and these wrapped wires will create the inductive coupling necessary for signal reception. Using pliers, I'm carefully shaping and tightening the wrapped wire, ensuring good contact and a secure fit around the bearing. I'm doing the same for the second wire, making sure both are evenly spaced and tightly wrapped. This precise coiling is what allows the bearing to become part of the antenna circuit. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm adjusting the two coaxial ends so they stand parallel to each other, creating a balanced dipole-like structure that will be effective for signal capture. For the next step, I'm introducing a coaxial splitter. This component is typically used to split a single signal into multiple outputs. but here, we're using it to combine the signals from our two antenna elements. I'll connect the bearing assembly's two BNC ends to the inputs of the splitter, ensuring a snug, secure fit. I need to prepare another section of coaxial cable for connecting to the TV. Again, I'm stripping the outer jacket and the braided shield, exposing the inner dielectric and copper core. This process needs to be clean and precise, just like before, to ensure optimal conductivity for the final connection to the television. I'm attaching a BNC connector to the end of this cable. I'll cut off the excess copper wire from the connector, ensuring a perfect connection. As before, I repeated the wire stripping process at the other end of the coaxial cable. I'm now attaching an L-shaped coaxial connector to this end of the cable. The L shape is practical for tight spaces behind the TV. This cable will now serve as the output from our homemade antenna system. Finally, I'm connecting my homemade antenna to the output of the coaxial splitter. This completes the assembly of our entire DIY television antenna. Every component now works together to capture and consolidate broadcast signals. My TV currently shows no signal. I will connect our antenna cable to the TV's antenna input. Let's see if our creation lives up to its promise. And there we go, a clear signal. The reception is fantastic across all channels, showcasing the incredible effectiveness of our simple homemade antenna. I can easily switch through multiple channels. Just to prove it's not magic, let me unplug the antenna from the back of the TV. See, instantly, no signal appears again. This confirms that our DIY device is indeed responsible for pulling in those channels. Now, let's plug it back in. And just like that, the signal returns, and we have live TV once more. It's consistently working across various channels. It's truly amazing what you can create with a little ingenuity and some basic components. If you found this project inspiring and enjoyed seeing how we turned a simple ball bearing into a powerful TV antenna, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected gadgets you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.